we congratulate the administration of PBBM for the bloodless campaign on implementing laws. While the former president probably had his goals, no, yung kanyang hinaing at yung kanya namang intensyon ay mabuti, the problem with seeing children or teenager or people being killed right and left, yung mga nakabalot ng mga tape, medyo masamang picture kasi siya na ipinakita sa Pilipinas. So while the intention of the former president is to curb drug abuse, makikita mo kasi medyo maliliit yung mga natamaan. At ang pinakamasakit dito, ako nanay rin, so we all have children. Alam naman natin that when that happens, when you tolerate that kind of act, dalawa ang pwedeng mangyari. Impunity, yung mga nasa baba o yung mga implementors ay pwedeng umabuso. Na kapag ikaw ay medyo out of school or medyo nagkukonting bulakbol, pwede kang pag-initan sa baba. So you become a diversion of those who have impunity at ang nagiging kawawa doon, yung mga tao sa baba. So we congratulate the current administration in its bloodless campaign. But of course, we also have to make sure that rules and laws are implemented. Kasi minsan, kung puro tayo patayan, tinatanggalan mo ng karapatan na magkaroon ng boses ang maliliit na tao. And this is very hurtful to parents like us.